Hi crafting friends! In today's tutorial we are going to be sublimating frosted Libby glasses. Now if you're new here, my name is Vicki and I'm the founder of Rustic Cottage Studio, where I create handmade pieces inspired by rustic charm and cozy living. In today's tutorial I'm going to walk you through a quick little how-to as I sublimate a strawberry and a cherry Libby glass. So if you're ready, grab your favorite drink, get cozy, and let's get to it. Now don't forget to give this video a like and a subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. I don't know if you noticed, but I am using the same designs I used when I made the tumblers. Do you think they'll turn out just as good as the tumblers did? Comment below with your guess. And don't go looking back at the thumbnail. That's cheating. Ooh-wee, I just love these designs, don't you? Now, just like the tumblers, I cut the paper all the way to the images on all sides except for one. I left a little space for the overlay. While we're waiting, I want to talk with you for a minute about the tutorials. I've got one more video coming where I'll be doing the voiceover like I'm doing now. After that one, I'm going back to talking while I record. Now don't get me wrong, it's easy to record without sound, but doing the voiceover is not easy, at least not for me. So I hope you guys are okay with me going back and talking while I'm recording, instead of going back over and doing a voiceover. Now don't forget to always wipe down or clean the area that you're going to sublimate before you add your design. I still used my Trident to help hold the design tight on the cup and added my tape where the paper overlays. However, I did not add tape to the bottom or the top of these glass cups. My wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too, 'cause you've been looking at me all night trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Don't forget your heat-resistant gloves when you are sublimating these glass cups, as they do get hot. I would even go so far as to tell you to have a rag or something extra handy. Even with these gloves, the cups are super hot. I set my temperature at 365 and my timer at 60 seconds. I pressed for 60 seconds with the tape facing away from me and 60 seconds with the tape facing me, which is what I call one set. Now, I ended up pressing these cups for 2 sets.
wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart stops beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl. She can let her hair down, but got her feet on the ground.
Well, were you right? Do you think they turned out as good as the tumblers did? My personal opinion is Volder is better. I think the strawberry cup looks great, but that cherry one isn't popping. I think the cherry cup would do better if this was one of those cans with a white background. You know the ones I'm talking about. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications of my next cozy creation. Let's keep crafting together. And as always, have a blessed day. I'll see you next time for more cozy crafting.